मिर्जापुर में एक 6 साल के एक बालक अपने मामा जी के साथ घूमने जा रहा था। रास्ते में उसने एक वृद्ध को आम बेचते देखा। बालक ने आम खाने की इच्छा जाहिर की। मामा जी ने उस वृद्ध से आम के भाव ठहराने के लिए पूछा, भाई आम कैसे दे रहे हैं? वृद्ध ने उत्तर दिया, शाम हो रही है और मैं अब घर जा रहा हूँ। बापूजी, आप आम चाट लिए, बहुत सस्ते में दूंगा। एक आना में 100 आम। मामा जी को यह सौदा काफी अच्छा लगा। वृद्ध ने अभी 50 आम गिनने ही तो कि बालक बोल उठा, बस और नहीं। वृद्ध ने कहा, अरे लाला, अभी तो बस
50 ओके
50 आम ही हुए हैं। जितने पैसे दिया है उतने के तो आम ले लो।
ओके Manu. Yes, Cheryl, good Manu, continue from there.
बालक ने विनम्रता पूर्वक उत्तर दिया, नहीं, हमें केवल 50 आम ही चाहिए। बाकी पैसे भी आप ही रख लीजिए। वृद्ध ने चेहरे पर आश्चर्य के साथ मुस्कुराहट दी।
Next. Yes. मुस्कुराहट दी। चुर्री पट
उसके हाथ लल्ला को आशीर्वाद देने के लिए उठ गए। उसके जाने के बाद मामा जी ने हैरान होकर बालक से पूछा, नन्ना, मैं सब
दृढ़ता मगर
नन्ना ने दृढ़ता
मगर
नो मैम, उसके जाने के बाद नन्हे घर में सब प्यार से
yes continue
नन्हे घर में सब प्यार से उसे नन्ना बुलाते थे।
ओके
नादानी थी। हमने 100 आमों के लिए पूरे पैसे दिए, मगर
उन पैसों से
तुमने केवल 50 आम ही लिए। क्यों?
श्रेया कंटिन्यू।
नन्हे ने दृढ़ता मगर विनम्रता से कहा, मामा जी, वह वृद्ध मजबूरी में इतने सस्ते आम दे रहा था। हमें कभी किसी की मजबूरी का फायदा नहीं उठाना चाहिए। इससे भी हमारे परिवार के लिए 50 आमों से अधिक की आवश्यकता नहीं है। महज 6 वर्ष के नन्हे से इतनी बड़ी बात सुनकर मामा जी आश्चर्यचकित ही नहीं रह गए, बल्कि नन्हे पर गर्व की अनुभूति भी करने लगे।
Yes, okay. Next one.
Ma'am, we
Huh?
are not doing that question answers in the textbook, only the notes.
What?
We are not doing that questions in the textbook, only that choose the correct answer and the notes that you send. We are not doing the questions in the textbook.
Yes. Not full, no needful.
Ma'am, ma'am, you take till this much, right?
I took that full chapter full. Last class I complete, no?
Yes, ma'am. You completed. Full chapter.
Yes, I completed. Anandesh, continue. एक बार यही नन्ना अपने मित्रों के साथ एक बार यही आनंदेश अनम्यूट आनंदेश अनम्यूट 1 second.
He is talking.
Wait.
Ma'am, in the board I can see he's muted, but he's talking. Ma'am, can I read?
Wait. Anandesh, what happened?
Any connection problem?
Maybe. Anandesh, wait there. Angelina, continue.
एक बार यही नन्ना अपने मित्रों के साथ बगीचे से खेल रहा था। नादानी में उसने कुछ फूल तोड़ लिया। माली को आता देखकर सारी मित्र भाग गया, मगर नन्ना नहीं भागा। माली के टांडने पर रोते
हुए कहा,
मुझे मत तोड़े
डांडो। What does it mean, डांडो? Scold.
मुझे मत डांडो काका, मैं अनाथ हुई।
अनाथ हूँ।
ने शिशु में यही अपने पिता को
गो दिया था। Okay, yes. Angelina Martin.
Okay, ma'am. माली ने बालक को सहानुभूति के साथ समझाया, लल्ला, तब तो तुम्हारा सभ्य व्यवहार के लिए तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी और बढ़ जाती है। किसी से भी बिना पूछे उसकी वस्तु नहीं लेनी चाहिए।
Yes.
माली से मिली इस सीख को उस नन्हे बालक ने जीवन भर के लिए गांठ बांध लिया। आगे
Okay, wait. Next one. Divyansh, पढ़ो।
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Yes, okay. I'm doing. Next one.
Ma'am, you ask me.
Gaudam.
Ma'am, I study from Karnelahe.
Yeah, Gaudam. Next one. Some students, why didn't you switch on your video? John Sebi. John.
Ma'am, I didn't read the textbook.
Very good. Vaiga.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue. आगे चलकर यही
नन्ना बालक लाल बहादुर हुआ, जो विश्व में भारत के मैं व्हाट इज दैट वर्ड
भारत के द्वितीय
प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में
क्या है?
प्रख्यात हुआ। अब वो इस दुनिया में नहीं हो मगर अपने
सरलता,
ईमानदारी और कर्तव्यनिष्ठा के कारण आज भी हमारे दिलों में बसे हुए हैं। आज भी भारत उन पर गर्व करते हैं और उन्हें अपने प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में पाकर अपना को सौभाग्यशाली मानता हूँ।
Take your notes.
Ma'am, we can write in the paper.
Yes, I sent notes.
Yes,
Where is your note file? Keep it there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not complete it.
Should complete. Yes.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes.
Ma'am, did you start that?
Ma'am, I also didn't complete that.
Yes, okay, no problem. When you are getting...
Did you start that Shabda?
Shabdartha, that... Shabdartha? We can discuss now this one.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to take our notes now.
Take your notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after the question answer you gave from the textbook, so we should give the same heading for that.
After the question answer?
You gave from the textbook, so we should write the same heading.
Yes.
We should write part, say, and write the heading.
No need. Uttar ligo, iske niche ligo. It's no problem.
Okay, ma'am, no need heading.
No need heading.
Options and questions.
No need. No. That is one-word questions.
Okay,
no need. Anyway, we'll get a multiple choice question now.
Ma'am, we should write a study.
This we will discuss now.
Okay, ma'am.
Take your notes.
In the class notes that you have sent, in that
I sent through WhatsApp. That note you take.
Ma'am, there are some questions from the textbook. That also we want to write in the class note? Or...
yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
ma'am. Ma'am, we should write that questions that you sent in the PDF from the textbook, in the notes.
Should write.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever I send, you take your notes and copy that and file it. And one-word question.
Or we want to just write the answer.
Yes. A one-word question. For example, you write a question. वृद्ध ने सस्ते आम देने का क्या कारण बताया? शाम हो रही थी. Like that, you write only question and that answer. No need option.
Only answer.
Only answer. Okay, no need write full options. Yes. Now, Vilom Shabd Mitra. Vilom Shabd Mitra. 1 second. No fan that.
Mitra Shatru, ma'am.
Shatru.
Yes. Mitra.
Ma'am, this we want to write.
Shatru.
Shatru.
Ma'am, this we want to write.
If you want to know, you write. Already you wrote. No, I sent yesterday's note to this. That is.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I wrote
Yes.
it and
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't start the chapter.
You didn't start the chapter. Now, what? Who is that? I didn't start the chapter means.
Ma'am, I didn't start to write the chapter.
Ma'am, can I
Don't
use my
say
video
B.
to take one book?
Yesterday, I think yesterday I sent through WhatsApp that notes. Did you get
Before
that, John?
yesterday you said, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I get that.
But you didn't copy in your paper.
Yes.
That is not my mistake, John. That is your mistake.
Ma'am, can I off my camera for 1 minute? 1 minute.
Yes.
ma'am.
John, that is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
my mistake. That is your mistake. That is your duty.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Razin, what happened?
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Very good. Chris Joe. See, John said Chris Joe's note. He complete that.
Can you show the screen?
John, try to complete today itself or tomorrow.
Okay,
Before
ma'am.
next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes, I will share this. Now we are discuss Mitra. Now itself you study. Vilom Shakti Tri Linga Badalo.
Shatru.
Shatru. Mitra. Shatru. Safal. Safal meaning success. Success.
Asafal.
Safal.
Ashatru.
Failed. Safal. Safal.
Asafal.
Next one. Kadhor. Komal. Soft. Kadhor meaning hard. Kadhor. Komal. Once more. Mitra Shatru. Mere sath bedao. Mitra Shatru.
Mitra Shatru.
Asafal.
Kadhor.
Komal. Risin, read that. Risin, Vilam Shabda. Pado.
Mitra Shatru. Safal. Asafal. Kador. Kador.
Yes. Brightly. Yes. Brightly. Continue.
Kador and comment.
Vilam Shabda. Pado.
Mitra Shatru.
Yes, Freya.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Kador and comment?
Kador meaning hard. Komal meaning
And
soft.
Komal means soft.
Ma'am, I can't. Ma'am, can you say?
You write there. Brightly. Read.
Can you say again of meaning of Kador?
Kador, hard. Komal meaning soft.
Thank you.
Brightly read.
Ma'am, can you say the meaning of Safal?
Safal meaning successful. Success.
Okay,
Safal
ma'am.
success. Asafal meaning failed.
Okay, ma'am.
Brightly. Yes.
Mitra Shatru.
Safal.
Asafal. Kador. Komal.
Yes. Okay. Madhav. Read.
Is ma'am Vilamsha?
Madhav. No. Bhuvana.
I'm carried.
Wait, I am calling one by one. Bhuvana.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Mitra Shatru.
Safal.
Safal. Asafal.
Safal.
Kador.
Kador.
Komal. Once more, Bhuvana, read. Mitra
Shatru.
Safal.
Asafal.
Kador.
Komal.
Komal. Next one. Devananda. Linga badalo. Chacha, chachi. Mali. What is the meaning Mali?
Gardener.
Gardener. Malin meaning?
Gardener. Female gardener.
Yes. Mali. Malin. Budha.
Buddhiya.
Buddhiya. Buddha क्या है? Old man. Buddhiya.
Old woman.
Woman. Yes.
And mama, mommy.
Mama, mommy.
Uncle, auntie.
Helen reads. Helen Tito. Helen reads.
Yes.
Helen reads.
Yes, ma'am. विलोम शब्द मित्र शत्रु सफल असफल
लिंग बदलो
चाचा चाची माली
मालिन
बूंदा
बूढ़ा बूढ़ा
बूढ़ा
बुढ़िया
बुढ़िया
मामा मामा Mommy. Read every day. You read and study. Otherwise, you didn't get language. Whatever I am giving, you read. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Helen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Nandita reads first.
Ma'am, can I
see the screen?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
I will give chance. Next class also will continue.
Chacha chachi. Mili.
Mali. Malin.
Buddha.
Buddhiya.
Mama, mommy.
Yes. Okay. For next class, I will take a dictation. Shabdarth, Bilom, and Ling Badalo.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, writing or multiply choice? Ma'am, what is the meaning of Ling Badalo?
Writing.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, writing?
Writing. E multiple choice, never you didn't write. Sincerely, you do that. Next, I will call your name. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Agnay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alim? Adil?
Present, ma'am.
Alok? Sorry, Alok, no. Amna Fatima? No. Anandesh? Yes. Angelina? Yes. Anina?
Ma'am, Angelina is here.
Anina?
Angela Martins.
Anina? No. Bharadwaj? Brightlin? Yes. Catherine Maria? Yes. Chrisjo? Devaga?
Chrisjo is present.
Gautam? Okay.
Yes.
John Sebi? Okay. Madhav? Yes. Nandita? Present. Yes, Rohit?
Present, ma'am.
Tania?
Tania leaves the school, ma'am.
Okay. Manu? Okay.
Present.
Yes. 5 B students. Amal Krishna? No. Ambrose? No, I don't know. Yes. Bhuvana? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Devananda Panikar? No. Divyansh? Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Falah?
Nanda is present.
Falah present? No.
Ma'am, Devananda is present.
Devananda, yes, okay. Next, Falah, no. Jai Krishnan? No. Krishnaveni?
Ma'am, present.
Parvati? Prayan? Ridul? No. Razeen?
Ridul is present, ma'am. Ridul is present.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ridul and Razeen is present.
Ma'am. Roman is present.
Romal?
Tom is present, ma'am.
Rudra,
Present, ma'am.
Sachin,
Absent, ma'am.
Cheryl, yes.
Present, ma'am.
Shubh, okay. Tejas,
Absent.
no, absent. Next, Amin, 5C. Amin,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Angelina,
Ma'am, Angelina Martin is present.
Then Angeline Relix,
Present, ma'am.
Aromal, Avantika Binoy, Edwin Saji, Faiz Mohammed,
Absent.
Hriddan,
Absent, ma'am.
Muhammad Afham,
Absent.
Pooja, Pranav, Sadaf, Saurav. 5D students also I will together I will call, yes. Ayush, no. Blesswin, Daniel, Helen Tito, yes. Irene Dennis, yes. Isa,
Present.
yes. Isa,
Absent, ma'am.
absent. Jelin,
Present, ma'am.
Jewel, no. Nerin,
Present, ma'am.
Prinova, Razil, Rena,
Present, ma'am.
Ronita, no. Shreya, yes.
All right, sir.
Vaiga, okay.
Ma'am.
Vinayak, no. Vishnu, yes. Any students? Ronita and Malayalam. Yes. Any other students' name I didn't call?
No.
I think almost all did.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Now also the 5D students are in same class.
No, I couldn't slip like that.
Oh, sir.
Together I
5D
told. Then
and 5C
Radhika ma'am
are
told some students 5C, 5D no class like that. They split it that other all section. But
Yes,
I got 5D slip separate. That's why I called.
Ma'am, if the school is starting also, it will be like that.
That I don't know, Shreya. So that we can't predict. Abhimanyu, I didn't call. Where were you, Abhimanyu? Why didn't say present? Huh?
Present.
Oh. Abhimanyu, did you complete your notes? Huh?
Ma'am, I was in my mother's house.
Okay. Angels, Jomo, no angels. No, absent. So, meaning, Vilom Shabd and
Ling Batilo.
Right answer.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Right answer?
I will take a written test.
Okay.
Now we should write and study that one.
Yes, right answer. Meanings,
Ma'am, 5 times, right?
5 times. And
Okay,
your
ma'am.
papa or mama, brother, sister, they will check.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Otherwise,
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad ji.
bye. Yes,
It was
thank
a
you.
wonderful session for us. Bye, ma'am.